Summertime in Chicago. We're gonna take the M5 back out today. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's pretty beautifully sunny. It's February 10th, guys. February 10th. And if you could look right here, 41 degrees. We've actually been having some pretty warm weather. For my wife's birthday, February 1st, it was like 60 degrees and sunny and beautiful. So all the snow has gone, came and gone. I don't know if you guys know a new member of the family, Riri, Max Charlie. But the snow has come and gone. It rained, so there's no salt on the roads. I will be taking the car out and only taking it on, you know, nice dry days where it's dry, not raining, and when the temperature is not too cold. Lately it's been hovering around like the 40, 42, 43 temperature wise, but cold doesn't kill the car. I didn't want to drive it in the dead of winter with all this salt and all this nonsense, but it's been sitting since the last video I posted with my brother when we went to Chicago Auto Pros and did that, you know, the interior, the detail and clean and put it away. So it's been sitting since then. I'm gonna uncover it, check it out, make sure it's all good, and probably go for a little cruise. And I'll bring you guys along so we could just have a little chat. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this beautiful cover off and we'll go from there. And always the biggest challenge is getting that giant thing back into this little hole it came from. So let's go. That was the easiest thing I've done in my life. Thank you, soft cover. Hello, beautiful. Man, I fucking miss this car. Ooh. Clean, spotless, baby. Beauty. Woo. Just, you know, the car's just a little dusty, but right here, I don't know how this, you guys can see that? Wipe that down right there. All right. I love black cars and I hate black cars. My GTI was black and cleaning it was always a pain in the butt. It stayed clean for a little bit, but yeah, let me pop open the hood. Make sure everything's good. I mean, it's a little dusty, which we will have to dust off, but hello. Man, I can't wait to hear this freaking Meisterschaft exhaust once it fires up. But I had the trickle charger on it the whole time. Battery is showing that it's nice and full. Make sure no ratatouilles bit through anything here, but everything seems to be good. Like I said, I keep my garage pretty clean. There's nothing in here. I'm gonna check the coolants, make sure they're good. Check my power steering. I mean, there's nothing leaked out underneath. There's no leaks or anything. This baby's pretty dry, as you can see. This little girl hates driving in this car because it's, you know, DCT. It's not very smooth and jerky, but she loves it. Man, look at that paint shine, guys. I absolutely love these headlights. I think these are the best looking freaking headlights on any M5. These old school angel eyes with the LED lights, just phenomenal setup. And then these integrated like reflectors underneath just looks so freaking sick. So sick, guys. Got my little BMW light, but you can't see because it's kind of bright in here. Yeah, I mean, everything's pretty good, clean. I cleaned it up real well before I put it away, so looks pretty good here. No, 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 no. I know you're trying to go in there. No, 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 little buddy. Soft closed doors. Best thing ever. But yeah, I checked all the fluids that I could check without the car being on. Oil can be full because it was full. This car doesn't burn any oil. Cold start, Meister shaft exhaust, CTS downpipes. It's gonna be loud. Let's get it started and go for a little cruise. So far so good. Started up perfectly fine. Those lights, baby, those lights. All right, let's go for a little cruise. Alrighty, so we are off. 61,000 miles. We gotta let this puppy warm up nice and easy. Is that time right? 1:47, yeah. I gotta check my tire pressures because they might be a little low. This damn garbage can always in my way. But yeah, let's see what we got. Vehicle settings, vehicle status. Gotta wait for those babies to pop up in a second for us. I'm gonna go down my street first. Daily driver. Hello, daily driver. Yeah, guys, I've missed this freaking thing. I still have that chipped windshield or cracked windshield, but I'm not planning on replacing it until it like splits all the way across. There's no point. Yeah, I'll let this baby warm up a little bit. Go grab a bite to eat because I'm freaking starving. All right, pressure's 35 psi. Perfect. They did not lose any air at all when they were sitting. That's great. Yeah, I have that in the back for the doggies. Sometimes they drive with me. Full leather interior. I wish I had the Bang & Olufsen sound system, because that speaker that pops up, that is pretty damn dope, but I do not. But besides that and the ceramic brakes, everything is loaded on this car. 2016, and man, does it freaking sound good and drives so smooth with this suspension. German suspensions and engineering is truly a work of art. Like the Honda, man, every single bump you feel, it's so rough, everything hurts. Here in these beautiful seats that are cushioned, massaged, and adjustable bolsters, it's just super nice, guys. But what I want to talk about, so basically, as far as performance wise to the car, I'm not doing anything else to the car, okay? There's absolutely no need for me to do anything modification wise. Only other things that I'm going to be doing is maintenance. I started with maintenance and I'm going to continue with maintenance. So I did the rear diff fluid, I changed the spark plugs, I changed the ignition coils, I changed the PCV filters. This summer I'm going to do the differential fluid, because I finally got ISTA program, and so I'm going to be able to do that. What else? The main thing that I have to do is injectors, because I don't believe they've been replaced, and the car is at 61,000 miles with original injectors, so it's time. We don't want any injectors getting stuck open and causing us to have bigger problems. So we'll do the injectors, and just basically oil changes every 1,500 miles. Yes, I'm crazy. I change my oil every 1,500 because these cars run hot. The V setup of the twin turbos in the hot V, they run very hot, and oil's not expensive, so it's cheap insurance for me to have fresh oil in here every 1,500 miles and just enjoying it how it is, you know. I'm not trying to risk anything crazy, spinning a rod bearing or whatnot. And plus, with that frequent oil change, if, you know, knock on wood, if I would have a stuck injector and I didn't know, that frequent oil change will help save the dilution of the fuel. So that's the upcoming plans for the car. Other than that, I love it. Suspension's great. I've had the tires replaced. I'm planning on having some fun with this car this summer, you know, kind of enjoying it, so I might be needing a new set of rear tires. But pay to play, right? Pay to play. But yeah, let's go for a ride. When the car gets up to temp, I'll measure the oil level, but I'm sure it's going to be at full. You know, there's no reason for it to not be after it was just sitting. But so far, without, you know, it hasn't been driven since December, sat for 2.5, 3 months. So far, so good. No issues, knock on wood. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Hit me up on Instagram if you have serious questions, because sometimes I can't get to all the YouTube comments. But Instagram is Bullets Garage M5 F10, so you can check that out. I'll put that in the description so you can see. But yeah, let me go cruise.